What's up, friends? We are setting up for a rainy day field day, so I wanted to kind of show you what it looks like and how we do our rainy day field day. Here you go. So we got our field day tomorrow. We're going to be doing 3 areas. We have the gym, cafeteria, and theater. I've got my volunteers here. We got a QR code they can scan and watch the videos of the games and a little game description to take with them to the game station. So in the gym, we're getting our station set up. Each station is divided into red, yellow, green, and blue. And here's my little field day helpers over here setting up my bowling pins for me for our football bowling station. Can y'all put the footballs in the hula hoops for me? I'm gonna do some hippity hops, rock wall climbing, and then the other 2 stations, I have the equipment ready to go over here. So I've got like all the stations with the numbers and the equipment on the carts to go to the cafeteria and the theater, which is our other 2 areas. So kind of the way it works, when they get into an area, they're gonna go to one of the stations, and then they'll rotate around every 6 minutes in that station, and then that whole grade level will rotate to the next area. So we've done this before where we had 5 classes per grade level and we had 5 stations. This year we only have 4 classes per grade level, and so we can do it with only 4 stations, so the kids will have a little more time to play the games this year. And that's kind of overview of our rainy day field day, and there's more details on our website, overview of field day, and also kind of a more detailed walkthrough of how I explain the rainy day field day to my teachers. If you want to check that out, you can head over to thepespecialist.com/field day. Have an awesome day, and I hope your field day is super successful and doesn't have any rain. Have fun and teach on. Later.